Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to change email on Facebook. So first, when you open your Facebook app, as you can see here, now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then here on menu, try to tap on the profile picture. Now from here, tap on the edit profile button. And then you can find your profile details. And if you scroll down, you'll find editor about info. And then from here, as you can see the contact info, tap on edit. And here you will find all your informations and tap on manage contact info. Finally, here on this page, you can add your email address or you can change your email on Facebook. So that's it. That's how you basically change email on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.